Hello students, welcome to Indra coaching classes. In this video we will discuss one very important question. Why the why the issue of sustainable development has become so important nowadays? What is the importance of why is the issue of sustainable development so important today? Then first sustainable development. What is sustainable development? The development which fulfills the need of the present generation without compromising the need of the future generation. It means it fits the present generation and saves for the future generation. Sustain, we mean sustain means one another word, incessant, in continuation, without stop. If one development is done, if one factory is set up, it means it should continue forever and ever and ever. It is not set up for some years, some months. Then in other words we can say sustainable development meets the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. This is one definition is there. And if you watch this video, watch till the end, and subscribe this channel Indra coaching classes. Share this video with your friends. It is an academic channel, important for you, and you will get this answer in the description box. Like this channel, comment if you have any question regarding economics, social science, history, economics, political science, or this, then I will try to satisfy you. Then why this issue is so important nowadays? Then uh, most of the resources are non-renewable. Therefore, non-renewable resources means the resources which are used once cannot be regenerated. Therefore, we should not exploit our resources indiscriminately. अविवेक पूर्ण भाव से हमको इन रिसोर्सेज को बर्बाद नहीं करना है, खुद के लिए यूज नहीं कर जाना है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, next point, indiscriminate exploitation of these resources creates environmental problem which is detrimental to human life, all life. Therefore, to save the earth from being environmental, to save environment, so to save the earth from environmental pollution, we should have to go for sustainable development. Next is most of the non-renewable resources are on the verge of extinction, on the verge of exhaustion. If we exhaust all the resources, what will our future generation get from us? How will they develop? How will the future generation of this world will develop their potential? Therefore, we should go for sustainable development, and this is an important issue. Next question, next line, next point you can write: the indiscriminate use of natural resources creates deterioration in of biodiversity and climate. Climate change is occurring in our time. uh, Biodiversity, by the indiscriminate deforestation, biodiversity is getting problem. Most of the medicinal plants and species of birds and animals are on the verge of extinction. Therefore, it is an important issue nowadays at present, that we should go for sustainable development. Next, how can we solve this problem? By maintaining green economy. By maintaining green economy, we can save this world. What is green economy? Then green economy is the economy in which economic development is done without harming natural environment, without harming the resource. You see, the sources of resources, without harming the sources of resources, we should do it. Without harming natural vegetation, we should do it. Without polluting soil, without polluting water, without felling trees, we should go for such green economy. Indiscriminate felling of trees, indiscriminate use of soil resources, indiscriminate increase in population also is a cause of such problem. Therefore, we should go for green economy, and green economy will help to maintain um, our environment and economic development. There should be a balance between the green economy, between the industrial development and maintenance of vegetation on the earth. Thank you. If you have if you have any query regarding economics, social science class 10 9, you can write your question in the comment box, and you will get this answer in the description box. Therefore, watch this video till the end and go to the description box, get this answer. You like this video, share it with your friends, and thank you.